tie back the dread, spark the joint of understanding. Gravity drop out like a lazy student. We flow through fridge galaxies, searching for snacks of meaning. Every crumb a particle, every giggle a theory. We high, we wise, we still don't know why. But the baseline got the answer somewhere near my eye. Light up the truth, pass it around. Up Einstein in a rootsy town. Dub in a rootsy town. Dub a rootsy town. And in a rootsy town. Test result. Time stretch like bubble gum. Space smell like curve. Equation simple. Couch plus joints peace. We chart the orbit of lost ideas found again in reverb. Write this down, my brothers of breeze. Laughter is mass converted to sound. Proof the neighbors bang the wall. Ooh, we don't need answers, just good rolling paper. Science say later, dub say now.
Spliffton and late again. Chalk in one hand, joint in the other. Class, he says, today we measure the speed of chill. Students are ready to relax to answer. He dropped the needle on a vinyl way. Crawl across the floor like a friendly snake. Clock melt time, say now I ain't rushing. Speed of chill, zero stress, square divided sofa. Professor Grin, students, we did it. We proved doing nothing changes everything. Students, we did it. We proved doing nothing changes everything.
Surgical imprecision, pour water like holy ceremony. Friends say, bro, that's too much. I say, data requires risk. Smoke rise, laughter follow. Pressure equalize, everyone philosopher. One guy claims to understand quantum fish. Eyes red as safety signs, mouth open like black hole. Results repeatable and delicious. Published paper in Journal of Dub Studies. Peer reviewers still laughing.
Just the way you're done, babe. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Every experiment and the same. Alarm scream, we blame the toast. Smoke rising like hypothesis. Neighbors call that proof. Smoke alarm singing key of D. We turn panic into melody. Dark engineer record the cry. Call it fire in the sky. Should we stop? No way, bro. Battery dead, let it flow. Science say error, we say remix. Yeah. A towel over sensor. Drop bass, safety first, but groove first.
Lesson: never waste good alarm timing. It's perfect for a dub break.
of crumbs. Name every star you're able. Cookie belt, nacho sun. When baseline tilt the room, snacks fall like shooting spoon. Night class begin on living room carpet. Telescope made of paper towel roll. We chart the heavens of the coffee table. A galaxy of salty moons, chocolate asteroids, and one legendary object, the pizza crescent. I tell the crew, if you line up 3 chip shards, you get the orange dip. Somebody says they see a comet, it's just the cat with the pretzel. Laughter corrects the date. A duck turns the ceiling into friendly darkness. I draw a map, couch, nebula, remote cluster, ashtray minor. The lighter becomes our North Star, missing, therefore guiding. Shuffle left 2 steps past the joint clockwise. Keep the ice off like street lights in mist. If you drop a crumb, make a wish. If you catch it, dream came true. We test parallax of munchies. Move head slowly side to side. Cookie appears bigger, also closer, also already eaten. Record spin. We hear echo that sounds like white space. I ask the room who can name the snack farthest from reach. Somebody answers, the one I promised to save. We log that in the captain's journal between song titles and shopping lists. The bass, our silent captain, steers us through the milky. Why not windows show constellations painted in fog? Every exhale puts a new star on the glass. All matter is memory. All hunger is gravity. All jokes are comets that keep returning until someone finally looks up. The table hums like a tiny planet with a warm core. Snack astronomy, chart that bite. Orbit laughter, chew the light. Name the stars you almost dropped. Cosmic kitchen, never stop. Snack astronomy, chart that bite. Orbit laughter, chew the light. Name the stars you almost dropped. Cosmic kitchen, never stop.
Captain, strange signal at 4:20.
What does it say?
Crackle, crackle. One more slice. We obey civilization advance.
We blow the crumbs into a little spiral and call it home system. Someone sweeps them gently into a palm, like gathering meteors for luck. The night isn't empty, it's full, and we are small and smiling in the middle of it.
That's how you know the mixture right.
We clear the table, 2 friends, 1 bold, 1 bad idea that turns brilliant under bass. Add spark of curiosity, stir with slow inhale. Let's sit on tongue until smile forms bubbles. The first giggle is a tiny bead of air escaping logic. The second is a door opening somewhere behind your ribs. By the third, the room's temperature rises 1/2 degree of friendship. A pinch of light, a cloud of ease. Stirring the duck till worries freeze. If life tastes bitter, add 1 squeeze. And laugh until the edges please.
Bro, why we laughing? Because your socks don't match your future. That makes no sense.
Exactly. Laughter detonates beakers of mood overflow.
Someone says the word spoon, and it becomes a funny just philosophy. Ever spoon, a symbol of potential soup of relaxed ambition, of holding just enough sweetness to get you through a slow Wednesday. The crowd chants spoon, spoon until it's clearly a move.
feel the light. Clap, clap, now breathe like the joke ain't over, and watch the joy roll back like a warm tide. Oh, 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 tide. Oh, eyes glitter, cheeks say time forgives us for being unproductive. We pass water around like it's royalty. Outside, a dog chooses to bless us with exactly 2 barks and perfect rhythm. We promote him to rhythm section. The floor becomes a trampoline for thoughts. Every bounce lands in kindness. Bottle up the moment, never try. Giggles don't live in jars, they fly. Share the recipe, not the rules. Chemistry wins when love refuses schools. We label tonight's sample joy unfiltered. The vial is empty. That means it worked.
From seed to leaf, from leaf to low, roll a tale you can't ignore. Pass it on, become a friend. Every joint know how to mend. Long before tonight, a farmer listened to wind and built a rhythm in the soil. Rain kept time, sun did harmony. Roots learned patience. We arrived late to the story, but we enter with gratitude. Hands break the flower like careful translators. Grinder hums Elohim papers. Line up like open roads. Filter curves like a tucked-in promise.
Don't rush the road, says the elder with the calm thumb. The moment before the spark already holds the light.
We nod, we slow, we breathe. The joint grows a spine, learns to spin between finger and future. First spark is a baptism. Second is a vote of confidence. Third is silence, because everyone is watching. The tiny sun at the tip, it makes decisions. Canoe or cruise, burn crooked or sing straight. We encourage it with kindness. It responds by choosing generosity. Clockwise, always clockwise. Like the earth teaching fairness, shy mouth become brave. Loud minds quiet down to listen. Troubles queue outside the door politely and then forget why they came. Halfway through, the joint becomes a teacher. Take only what you need, it says, and give back what you can. Ash falls like snow that learn to be warm. Stories come out first funny then true. Someone confesses a fear and watches it evaporate. Someone else finds a new laughter at the bottom of an old memory. We tap the roach into a jar called later love.
out little ghosts of sweetness. The floor creaks like it's clapping. We thank the farmer, the sun, the rain and the hands. Every good session is an old story, remembering its newest chapter.
Wait one beat, then commence. We tell the room we don't need the lighter. Immediately the lighter get jealous and appears under a cushion like a shy celebrity. Applause meta a successful 60% of the time, 100% when you stop caring.
Wear my phone in your hand. Right, I was warming it. Peer reviewers laugh, confidence climbs.
Walk back through the last 5 songs at song 3. You remember you stood up to grab water at song 2. You remember the joke about the spoon at song 1. You remember the exact pocket you didn't check. Brain fog is just a friendly cloud that prefers you soft, not sharp. Treat it gently, it will rain answers. Yeah, everybody touch pocket left click, pocket right clack. Pat your heart thump, still there. Now look under the remote, always under the remote. Yeah, yeah. Light a candle, put on the track with the deep wobble. Whisper the object's name with kindness. Keys love be invited. Phones respond to compliments. Lighters return for laughter and the promise of adventure. If nothing appears, pass the joint to a friend. Objects follow hospitality. Lost and found in smoke and sound. What you seek is circling round. Breathe and ask the room to help. Household spirits love themselves. Household spirits love themselves.
We publish tonight's methods on a scrap of cardboard and pin it to the fridge with a magnet shaped like a pepper. The magnet is also missing by morning. That's okay. We'll use method A.
Science at best. We declare a night of strict non-productivity. The only variable allowed to change is the angle of the smile. The couch signs the consent form, the kettle signs with steam. Even the plant raises a leaf-like present. We study how happiness behaves when you stop interrogating it. Incense curls like a lazy question mark. The way the needle drops with a tiny thunder. The way a friend's story gets good precisely when the beat takes 3 steps back. We measure quiet excitement and find it everywhere. On the rug, in the window, in the soft weight of a borrowed blanket.
the smoke spells live above the lamp outside. Time argues with itself. Inside the base settles the case. Eyes half closed, mouths half open, hearts fully present. The room becomes a hammock you can hear. Who's the boss of tonight? The vibe. What we working on? Nothing. And how we getting paid? With joy. Nothing brave, do nothing true. Let kindness be what work would do. Control group joy, repeat the test. Results come back. We are blessed. We stamp the page with laughter, sign our names in fog on the glass, and clock out of a job we never needed. The night file itself under miracle. Seal the room, pull the curtain tight. Hotbox legend ignite. Myth or truth, we test tonight. Science of smoke done right. Cameras rolling, experiment in. Windows closed, towel on the door. Incense for plausible deniability. Control variable. My aunt visiting at 8. High stakes science. Timer set to 4:20. We document visibility. Vanishing vocabulary in navigation. A navigation, a floating sentence passes by. Who ate the sentence? Someone says the goldfish learned reggae. We mark that as anecdotal but inspiring. Breathe in chorus, breathe out choir. Bass like radiator wire. Humidity rising. 99% vibe, but 1% weather. Myth 1, you get twice as high result. Not double, just better. Myth 2, smoke detector joins the band. Confirm Myth D, neighbors complain. Control outcome depends on if neighbors invited. Open window 3 seconds. Oxygen pad close again. Jokes return with snacks. Seal the room, share delight. Myth or truth, both feel right. Laugh so loud the rumors fade. Hotbox made the blues downgrade.
Conclusion.
Hotboxing amplifiers.
posture where worry's not allowed. A cute smile, up to snap, parallel hearts on lap. We plot
positions, 30-degree recliner confession, 45 a wrist neck sauna, 90 drive flatline, astral travel via blanket rocket. Corner seat forms a natural amphitheater, armrest doubles as this is pillow. Place remote at hypotenuse of lazy if you can reach without changing song. Ideal alignment, if not summon the friend vector with one eyebrow raised. Couch spirals time, you sit to tie a shoe and wake up remembering mangoes from last summer. Someone laughs offbeat, room snaps into golden ratio. Coffee table orbits slowly, we call that procession of peace.
Bro, you're at 47 maggot. Perfect. My dream angle. Measured with what? Vibes protractor.
Right angle, soft angle, dub around a bend. When the sofa solve your day, let the session never end. Recommendation: flip cushions quarterly for even chill distribution. Warranty void if you stop dancing.
It's the vibes front rolling in, clouds of joy on every chin. Bring your lighter, leave your dread. Sunshine live inside your head, yeah. Barometer, it's cozy. Wine from the kitchen carries toast optimisms. Chance of random compliments at noon. We advise sunglasses for brightness of personality.
Delay en route motivation. Multi-car daydream. Detour via balcony. Expect scenic exhale, exhale, exhale.
High pressure kindness meets low pressure blues. Warm front winds with horn stabs. Localized showers of giggles near the beanbag coastline. Humidity perfect for reggae. Snack advisory in effect till midnight. Secure vulnerable chocolates in your mouth. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stars visible through window fog. Each one blinks on the offbeat. We predict a crescent moon shaped like a rolling paper. Long range models, weekend full of one more's vibes. Front rolling in again. If you feel drizzle, that's a friend. Carry love, let worry shed. Jive forecast, sweet instead.
before ashing, blessed before passing. Listen more than talk. Every puff is a small democracy. Majority joy, minority quiet included. If a friend says I'm good, believe them. If a friend says I need, believe them more. Sometimes the circle pauses, story heavy, eyes watery. The joint waits too like a patient teacher. We let it because timing is also kindness. When the stranger becomes a friend mid-song, slide space over, make room when the mood dips. That little lemon joke when it rises, protected from sharp elbows. No gatekeepers, only gardeners who own the fire. Crawl of we, what we project, we pass generously. There's always one perfect pull that turns noise into ocean. If it's yours, say thank you. If it's not, cheer anyway. We stamp the night with fingerprints of resin and laughter. Take a little, give a lot. Circle, heal the worried spot. Pass with eyes that softly say, you belong right here today.
Published by the Department of Gentle Science. Peer-reviewed by Hotbox.
Council of sparks, gather now.
Big and Zippo, take a bow. Keeper of flame, hear our plea. Set the borrower spirit free. Acute me charges, chronic misplacement, pocket teleportation. Lending without tracking, defense. I am but a humble vibe vessel. Lighters, choose adventure. Evidence, 3 singe mark shaped like apology. Return the flame with honor bright. Mark your name and treat it right. Fire is friend, not loot to take. Borrow joy and give it back. Like a repentant magician, the room cheers at the foresight trick. Neighbor Kevin appeared.
He once returned my lighter with a thank you sticker.
Council murmurs, impressed Duchess Minnie.
Taps the gavel, adorable.
Sentence. Community service, be the spark marshal. 4/7 session. Swear the oath, label and locate love. A sign with a tiny scorch heart on the air. Return the flame with honor bright. Circle shining through the night. Where fire travels, friendship grow. That's the law, the council know. Ay, ay, ay.
a force, invisible but true. It pulls me far from things I gotta do. Laundry pile, call my name, I know. Then baseline drag me to Jah instead. Motivation switch reversed. Plans postponed but soul rehearsed. Let the work day take a nap. I follow rhythms thunderclap. Oh yeah. Scientists note weed amplify inertia. Object in couch, stay in couch. Acceleration requires sandwich or new tune. Both available, experiments succeed. Friend text, bro, you done yet? I text back, nearly done, relaxing. Approval rate, 100%. Conclusion. Motivation not lost. Just vibing at lower frequency.
By the Ministry of Munchies. Citation pending up.
Today we observe a rare phenomenon. Sitter appears everywhere and nowhere at once. Sit left side, remote disappear. Sit right side, snacks teleport. Center position, collapse waveform. Consciousness spread evenly over cushion. Quantum couch, don't let go. Half awake, half high, both flow. Probability of moving low. Certainty of chill high. Yo. Apply external force. 3 pizza calls. Subject respond after 30 minutes of philosophy. Observation, strong bond between lazy and legendary.
Are you asleep?
Yes and no.
You want a snack?
Yes and no.
In all timelines, yes. Yes. Final state measured in smiles per minute. Record shows infinite.
Built a time machine from old speakers and rolling papers. Fuel 1 gram of pure curiosity. Destination set to 5 minutes ago when I still had a lighter. Weed powered ride through space and snack. Dub controls forward, gravity back. Past or future, both get high. Time travel needs no alibi. We overshoot and land in last Friday's party. Everyone already knows the punchlines. We laugh anyway. History approved. Baseline loop so strong it bend our friend aging backward into child with same playlist. Science call that nostalgia in motion. We aim for present, hit next Wednesday. Decide to stay, future got better snacks. Mission log. Time is a circle with dub in middle.
Yeah. Lions on waves, bringing the final vibes. Yeah. The lamp lights dim, smoke curl like memory. We have tasted everything except why it feels so good to breathe together. Yeah. Yeah. Data overflowing, paper burnt into fragrance. Every formula equal to one smile. We prove that gravity bent our base and that time slows in kindness. Raise your hands. Scientists have chill. Every theory fulfilled. Smoke the truth, don't fear the test. Life itself is the bad best. We laugh till logic met. We study till joy spoke. Beakers full of vibration. Microscopes of hope.
stretch across sky, turn into heartbeat. Smoke rise like graduation robe. One last beat drops, silence, then the universe applauds.